Hi, how to factorize quadratic equation part 4. Right now, our question is 2x squared minus 7x plus 6 equals 0. To factorize the equation, I will use the AC method. So, we need to recognize what is A, coefficient of x squared, what is B, coefficient of x, and isolated numbers going to be R, C. So A times C equals to 12. Now we are looking for the two numbers. Product of these two numbers should be 12, and when you add them up, we need to get the negative 7. So these two numbers can be negative because both of them, because when you multiply, you will get the positive. When you add them up, you will get the negative number. So I will pick the negative 3 and negative 4 to get the positive 12. And when you add them up, you will get the, obviously, negative 7. Then we will do the simple mathematics. Negative 4 plus negative 3 going to be midterms. So I can write here x and x. So I will bring down the rest of the numbers, 2x squared and the positive 6 come down, obviously equals to 0. I want to break down this equation in two parts. First two terms and second two terms. Now, what is the common factor of these two terms? I think you can see 2 and the x. So 2x is here. And rest of them, 2x times what going to be 2x squared? 2x times x. So 2x times what going to be negative 4x? Negative 2. Then I will write here 2x is a common factor for the x minus 2. Then don't forget what we need to get from the last two terms, x minus 2. So I'm looking for the numbers. When you multiply by x, you will get the negative 3x. So it should be negative 3. So negative 2 times what numbers going to be positive 6. So again negative 3. So for the last two terms, negative 3 is going to be our common factor. So in the bracket, I will find the same bracket. X minus 2 should be. Then x minus 2, this bracket is the new common factor. So x minus 2 left over when you take it out. For example, there is nothing, so there is only 2x. If you take it out, you will see negative 3 here. So 2x negative 3. Okay, then we will get the either x minus 2 going to be 0 if it is x should be 2, or 2x minus 3 going to be 0. From there we will get the x equals to 3 over 2. Thank you very much for listening.